Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, you are going to see three different art forms of India. First is Mysore painting. First, mix chalk powder with some water and Fevicol and make a paste and then apply it on the design wherever you want to see 3D effect. This is Mysore painting gold foil. This is very soft to handle, so please handle it carefully and then stick it using Fevicol. Paint using acrylic or poster colors, and then you can stick some kundans, so your Mysore painting is ready. Next art form is Warli art. It is one of the famous art forms of Maharashtra. Take a piece of cardboard and cover it with fabric. Paint the base with a reddish-maroon color to resemble the traditional mud wall. Using white acrylic paint, draw whirly geometric designs like circles, triangles and dancing figures. Once dry, attach the earring stud and your whirly art earrings are ready. Tanjavur painting is a traditional art form of Tamil Nadu. Take a plywood and trace or draw the design. Make a paste using chalk powder and Arabic gum. Apply the paste wherever you need the 3D effect. Stick the gold foil as shown using Arabic gum. Detail the design using Vandyck brown color using thin brush. You can now attach the chain and it's ready.